Hello guys, I'm Alexey Mikhailov with Bering Yachts. Today I'd like to present to you our new development, a Super Yacht Division. It's not new for us to be in the league of Super Yacht, however, it's taking to the next step. You probably already know our 145 model, 125, some are floating, some under development. Now we're introducing a few new models which combining our explorer capability with the luxury, comfort, style, keeping the same capability of exploration boat.
Our flagship in our Super Yacht line is Bering 165. It's newly developed. This is a very versatile boat. First of all, it's a true explorer with the wrench, with all the functions, with all the spaces, with all capacities. Function-wise, is a true explorer. However, it's a luxury, comfortable yacht. Speaking of versatility, you can have a swimming pool on the up deck. You can have oversized tenders. You can have two tenders 9-10 meters long. You can have very good open beach club or enclosed beach club, or both. You have a lot of versatility on decks. You can have different options of owner suite positioning on the upper deck, on the main deck. So it's 5-6 staterooms. It's got a TV room. It's got a lot, and function-wise, it's very flexible. You can turn it into Explorer, and you can turn it into the party yacht, which is great for Monaco, Dubai, Ibiza. Versatility is great on this boat. When we design our super yachts in general, and this particular boat, we keeping in mind that customers getting younger. We have customers early 40s, late 30s, and they have different requirements for the boat. They want different function of the boat. The sound system's getting super expensive and top quality, which is not that important for 60, 65 years old customers. We introduce a new features on the boat. You know, swimming pool with a lifting floor where you can have a dance floor in place of swimming pool, and next morning it's a nice swimming pool. Helipad is possible on this boat. Folding out bulwark to increase your beam up to 11 meters is also a very demanded feature. We're talking about different concept of the boat. If our 145 is a true explorer, 500 gross tons, but it's an exploration in mind, it's much less flexibility in layouts, much less flexibility in arrangements on the outside decks. With the 165, you can basically fit any requirements, any taste, any style. And of course, the luxury part of it, the interiors. Before or on the smaller boats, we have a tendency to use our in-house team for interior design. But for this line of boats, we're using renowned designers for exterior styling, for interior design, and we give a freedom to the customer to choose one or another designer, but they all for top 5, top 10 in the world. I think it's very important because it's an expensive buy and people have to have what they really like. And for younger people, again, it's more important than for people of my generation, I guess. Another great boat in the Super Yacht. It's kind of entry level. It's Bering 110. It's 34 meters, Super Yacht. It's again flexible with a large cockpit, capability to carry large tenders, lots of toys, and it's a 5-stateroom, great pantry. It's an exploration to the bone, but yet it's very stylish, very good looking boat. So you would never say, okay, this is off-road vehicle. No, it looks like a super yacht, but with a little zest and all features and everything. We did it in collaboration with the Red Yachts design, the exterior styling, the exterior arrangements and everything. We're really pleased with this collaboration, and I think we achieve a lot for a very short period of time. And we introduced this boat during the Monaco Boat Show. With the mind, we designed it to build in a flexibility and not jeopardize the exploration features, the range, safety, comfort, quietness, space, ergonomics. Everything is liveaboard for a long time. It's not a party boat, although it can be a party boat as well. We're working on another boat, 120. We're actually redoing our whole Super Yacht line. We would like to take it also different. It's the style and the purpose of the spaces inside and outside is also slightly changing. The modern design is more, I would say, open to the sea, open decks, vast spaces, folding out bulwark, increase of a beam and everything. But again, you can take this boat to north, to the south, to remote location. It's explorer to the bone. All our Super Yacht models are semi-custom. We have a platform, we have a hull, we have a design. It's not changing, but function of each deck, rearrangement of the rooms, spaces on all decks is all customizable. Not just your style of furniture and your positioning of the furniture. No, we can accommodate lower level galley or mid-level galley. You know, things like this, it's a deep customization for the needs of the customers. And it's same for 110, 120, and 165. It's our new line of boats. We didn't reveal yet 120, but it's coming soon. I want to say that 165 and 110, the newly presented boats, are very popular models. We have several customers. We're discussing the 165, a couple of MOUs signed, and same for 110. One is in production already, two more in negotiations. So please stay tuned. Your questions are welcome. Very soon we're going to reveal another model in our Super Yacht line is Bering 120.